Hangman Program. Just wanted to show you a sample of it and help get you started on it. First of all, one thing to note, the actual frame, if you want to use the same one you see here, is actually right here in your string examples project called Hangman Frame. If you pop that one open, you'll see the text boxes and the buttons already made for you. Save you a little bit of time. Now here's mine called Hangman Frame in a solved project. Let's just give it a run here and show you what your Hangman program should look like. So nothing too fancy. You'll see here I have a text box where I'll show the guess letters. Bad count to show how many bad guesses they've made. This is where they'll enter their guess and hit guess. And here's the show word. Okay, the thing with the dashes and the letters to help them along. So let's hit new game. You'll notice when I hit new game, I can use the button new game dot set enabled false to turn it off, and the guess button guess dot set enabled true to turn this on. And now I can start guessing. So let's go here. Let's try to guess an O. Oh, look at that. There is an O. Let's try to guess a M. There is an M. Let's try to guess a Z. No Z. So the bad count went to 1. You can see here my guess letter list is just building up. Let's go for a T. Yeah. Let's go for an R. Let's go for a Q. Let's go for a J. Let's go for a C. Oh, you probably know what this is already. The E, the U, and the last one, the P. And when it knows after every guess to see if I've actually got the mystery word or not, you'll see my guess buttons disabled. And the only thing I can do again is new game. And when I hit new game, everything clears out. A new word is picked. And this thing is reset. I don't remember what my word is there, but at least this gives you an idea of how the game should look and run as a little cycle. Now, I'm not going to show you my whole program, but I will show you the first tiny bit. You'll see here I've made a string called mystery to hold the mystery word. I have guessed for the guessed letters that'll build and build. Show word for what I show the user there with the dashes. An array list called words, which you'll see here in the constructor of the frame. I just had 3 words added in there, so that last one I guess was going to be school. And integer bad count, how many bad guesses. Now I won't show you the rest. The rest is for you to code, but there you go. There's Hangman. Not that bad, probably about 25, 30 lines of code, and that whole game is done. Have fun with it. It's excellent practice. Has some great routines. Remember, there is a hint sheet if you need to resort to it, or you can always ask the teacher for a little help, right, wherever you're stuck. Good luck with this one.